Hello, my dear lovely brothers and sisters. Assalamu alaikum. How have you been? I hope you are all doing great. I am also fit and fine. Today I have come here in order to practice my English. You know, if you don't practice English every day, then it will be very tough. It will be very difficult for you to speaking or to learn English. English is such a language that totally depends on practice. We who are interested, we who are enthusiastic to learn English must have a habit of speaking English every day. Without speaking English, you cannot expect to speak a single word. So, speaking English is a must, is a mandatory, you have to speak every day. Without speaking English, you cannot think of mastering this language at all. This language is used or talked all over the world. People of the whole world use this language as medium of communication. So, this language is very important and very significant for our practical life. If we want to be successful in any kind of examination, then we must have sound knowledge, good command over English. People having good command over English and having good knowledge over English, they will have a lot of opportunities, they will have a lot of benefits. So, I think the benefits of learning English a lot. If you want to be a good speaker in English, if you want to be good at English, then you have to practice. There is no substitute or alternative of speaking English every day. So, besides this, you have to speak English in a public place or in front of people. If you get fear, if you get nervous, then speaking English is not at all possible for you. You have to form a habit of speaking English in front of people or in a public place. English is such a language that only be mastered by speaking and practicing. So, regular practice and regular speaking is very essential, is very indispensable. If we want to be successful in our life, then we should learn this language properly and enthusiastically. Otherwise, nobody or we cannot speak this language or use this language at all. So, if we have genuine interest or genuine willingness, then we have to come out of our comfort zone. If we cannot come out of our comfort zone, then we cannot speak English at all. So, if we want to be good at English, if we want to have good fluency in English, then we have a habit of regular habit of speaking English. If we do these things, we will be able to speak English, we will be able to learn English. So, I do not want to make this video longer. I want to take leaves of this video. I want your support, your cooperation, your help wholeheartedly, so that I can continue my journey. If you support me, if you have any question, if you have any question, you can ask me. You can come into my box, and send me question. And I want your wholehearted support and cooperation. Thank you.